Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on how to find old messages on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Swipe left or tap the paper airplane icon in the top right corner to access your message inbox, also known as Instagram Direct. Next, go to the chat where you think the old message might be. You can scroll through your chats list, or use the search bar at the top to find a specific conversation. Once you're in the chat, tap the name of the person or group at the top of the screen. This will open their chat profile. From the menu that appears, select Search and Chat or Search Messages, depending on your Instagram version. Type a keyword from the message you're looking for, or the name of a person mentioned in the message, in the search box at the top. Tap Search. Instagram will filter the chat history and show all messages containing your search term. You can scroll through the results to find the specific message you need. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.